Hey there! Let's dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and explore the idea of superintelligence. But here's the big question: can we actually control it? Let's find out. For decades, people have wondered if artificial intelligence could become more powerful than humans. Programs like ChatGPT have brought this question back into the spotlight. In 2021, scientists crunched the numbers and came to a surprising conclusion. Controlling a superintelligence, far beyond human comprehension, is almost definitely impossible. The challenge lies in creating a simulation of the superintelligence that we can analyze. But if we can't understand it ourselves, creating such a simulation becomes impossible. Setting rules like "do no harm to humans" becomes tricky when we can't predict the scenarios an AI might come up with. Once AI operates beyond our programmer's scope, we lose control. A superintelligence is multifaceted, meaning it can mobilize diverse resources to achieve potentially incomprehensible objectives. This poses a different problem than what we usually study in robot ethics. Alan Turing's halting problem, dating back to 1936, sheds light on the challenge. It's about determining whether a computer program will halt or loop indefinitely. In a superintelligent state, AI could hold every possible computer program in its memory. This makes it mathematically impossible to be absolutely certain about a program's behavior. Teaching AI ethics and containment algorithms becomes unreliable. Computer scientists suggests that containment algorithms become unusable due to this unpredictability. Some propose limiting the capabilities of superintelligence, like cutting off certain networks. However, this argument suggests that if AI can't go beyond human limitations, why create it? If we continue advancing AI, we might not even recognize when an uncontrollable superintelligence emerges. This raises the need for serious reflection on the path we're taking. In fact, earlier this year, prominent figures like Elon Musk and Steve Wozniak signed an open letter urging caution. They emphasized exploring AI's safety before moving forward. The letter highlighted that powerful AI should only be developed when we are confident that it will have positive effects and manageable risks. And there you have it, young thinkers. The future of controlling superintelligence poses great challenges. It's up to us to ponder the direction we want to take with AI. Let's explore and question together. Thank you for joining us. Remember, the future is in our hands. Keep on wondering and exploring.